Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the show tooltips function on the Sketchbook application, meaning that you are going to see instructions how to use a certain feature or option on the Sketchbook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the first icon at the top of the screen in the upper left corner. Click on Preferences. And now you should turn on the Show Tooltips function, which is the first one. So tap on the button and then go back to your sketch by clicking on this button in the upper left corner, and we will be able to test whether this function works or not by simply selecting an option at the, or from the top. For example, click on the guides option, and as you can see down below at the bottom of the page, you can see how to use these rulers. So you are going to see instructions such as double tap within the ellipse to reset, or double tap the degree handle to reset the circular, and so on. So if you click on any of these functions, you will be able to read the relevant instructions how to use them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.